So in the last episode, I only used this polish on the front left wheel to see how far just polish could get you with cleaning up aluminum wheels. And I used a polishing brush attachment on my drill. But this time I bought a cleaner that's specifically for aluminum. It's some type of acid. And I've got some Purple Power degreaser. And we're gonna put those to the test on 2 other wheels. I got some brass wire brushes. It's softer than the aluminum metal, so we're gonna see how good it can clean up the stuff, because there's old tar, brake dust, things like that just gunked on there, tiny little spots all over it, including the corrosion itself. Then we're gonna finish it up by polishing it with our Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. Okay, on this front right wheel, we're gonna spray it with the Purple Power degreaser, and we're gonna let that soak on there while we go to the rear tire and spray the aluminum acid cleaner. Now in the instructions for this, it actually says to mix with certain parts of water. So I'm gonna hit the wheel with some water, and then we're gonna hit it with this. And we're gonna let it sit for just a couple of, I don't know, seconds, and then hit it with water again. Okay, it's been maybe about a minute. Okay, so that's just the acid cleaner sprayed off with water. Let's go check out the right front tire. It looks a little cleaner, but it's not as crispy shiny. So that's telling us that the acid cleaner really is eating off that corrosion. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with a brass brush and a little bit more Purple Power degreaser and see what it does versus hitting that tire with another brass brush and a little bit of purple degreaser, kind of like soap. Holy smokes though, I mean, I'm really astounded. All these little pockets and stuff that had the black tar and brake dust and everything, it pretty much took all of it off. It still obviously needs polish, but it took all of that black caked up junk out of these little areas, and that's massive. Okay, we're gonna hit it one more time with this aluminum acid. Okay, so after all of that, you can still see kind of this little stuff that looks a little cloudy. That will come right off with polish. Now, the amazing thing is that all the black gunk that was in these hard to reach areas and cracks is basically gone. And in these lips, and even in here to a much larger degree. I mean, that is a massive, massive difference. Y'all, that acid cleaner is it. If you've got aluminum wheels that you want to clean up, hit it with that acid cleaner. It's literally doing 95% of the hard work. The rest is just literally polishing it. I didn't even really need to hit it with a wire brush. Now, if we compare that with the front right wheel, still see all that black stuff inside these lips and the crack, yada yada. It's cloudy, dirty. So yes, the degreaser cleaned it, but it didn't do such a good job. We're like, wow, that's shiny, that's a clean aluminum wheel. And the acid cleaner is actually doing that. I'm gonna hit it with some polish and really see if we can get it mirror finish. Okay, polishing done. Now I'm gonna wipe off the polish. Okay, so after wiping the polish off, you can see it's starting to get a mirror finish. And so no doubt, if I were to hit it with polish again and maybe even a brand new brush, it would shine. And that's what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do that on another video or another day, because today's concept was, what will the acid-based aluminum cleaner do versus something like a degreaser? And clearly it stomps a degreaser. Acid-based aluminum cleaner is where you want to go if you got some really messy aluminum wheels like mine. And these things having probably been cleaned or polished 30 years, I don't know, maybe more. So if you like this kind of stuff and you're building a hot rod or an OBS that you're working on or anything, I've got a lot more coming. We've got a lot of crazy ideas that we're going to start trying to do, and we're just going to have fun with it. Thanks for watching. If you got a wrench, you got a garage.